Now, other than using tacks, you can use a staple gun to fix your webbings or your fabrics or your fillings. I'm just going to show you that now. Now I've marked out for my web, my next web, where it's going to go. And now I'm going to use my staple gun. Absolutely nothing wrong with using a staple gun in upholstery at all. So I take my gun and I'm going to place 4 staples in a straight line. Again, but if you notice, I haven't folded this time. I've just done that straight onto the first layer of web. But I am a good, again, 2 centimetres, at least 2 centimetres away from the front edge. I'm then going to put another row of staples in, about 1 centimetre away from the first row. So, that's a total of 8 staples. I now fold over, and then I put another 8 staples in a repeat of that pattern on top. Now the reason you use staples in this way and you add more is because they hold differently to a tack. That's all you need to be aware of. And then the same again, we strain on, fold your webbing under, in the slot, take your peg, in the loop, tighten a little, edge of the bench, slacken it a little bit if you need to get a strain, and strain away. There's my pin, I take my gun, and I'm going to put 8 staples in again. And there we are, that's that web pretty much fixed. One more thing to do, and that's to trim off again, fold back over, and again 8 more staples on top. And that is a web fixed with staples. That is just as strong and as durable as tacks. Have a go. Happy tacking.